Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this HDMI receiver and transmitter. On this video is going to be an unboxing and a product overview. So let's get into it. Let me show you what it comes with and how well it works. And then at the end, I'll give my overall feedback. Okay, so when you first open the box, you have your instructions right here. Here's your receiver and your transmitter. Here's the on and off button. This is where you put your USB-C power supply. Looks like so. It's a normal size HDMI. Same as the transmitter. Here's your HDMI extender. Here's one of your USB-C power cords. Your second one. And then it even has the adapters here for the HDMI to go into the mini or the real small HDMI. Let me show you how easy it is to mirror your laptop to either your TV or to a projector or any device that accepts HDMI. First thing that you have to do is plug in the transmitter to your HDMI port on your laptop, which I did right here. You can see the signal and it's connected and it's linked. And then on my TV, I plugged in the receiver. And here you can see that it's linked. Here's the extender cord to plug it in to the port, and then I have my power right here. Once both devices are plugged in, you can see how my laptop screen is mirrored onto my TV screen, and it works flawlessly. And you can see how smooth that both devices are. All the features work as if I'm working on the TV, whereas I'm working on my laptop right now, and everything runs smooth. There's no delay. The controller that I wanted to change it, so you can hear the audio is being projected to the TV. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great transmitter and receiver. I like how easy it is to set up, and I also like how smooth that it transmits your image from your laptop to your TV screen. There's no delays. I also like how it comes with the extra cords, the two USB-C cords, and even the HDMI extender. And I like how it comes with the mini and the micro adapters. So this is a great set to have. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.